See this. It says a cube of 41 sides is on one of its edges on HP. That's on one of its edge of its base on HP, which is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Draw the pressure when the lateral square face containing the edge on which it makes an angle of 50 degrees. One of its edge of its base. This is a cube of 41 sides. Cube means square prism. So this is AA1. I'll write a little bit short so that easy to complete our third position. So it's a cube of 41 sides. AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1. Cube means all sides are equal. It's not only the bottom 40, 40, 40, 40. Even the height also will be 40 because it's a cube. Cube means all dimensions are same. So 40, 40, 40, 40. It's not only just sides. Even the height also will be 40. Okay. Even this height also will be 40. So this is A1 dash of B1 dash. This is C1 dash of D1 dash. So the middle you have O1, right? So this is O1 dash and this is O dash. So A dash, B dash, C dash bracket. This is a cube. And it says lateral resting on one of its edge of the base which is inclined to VP. So VP inclination, there is a third position that we will do it in the last. What is inclined to VP? Resting on one of the edge of the base that is inclined to VP. So resting edge, that is A1, B1 will be inclined in the third position on the 30 degree line. Okay. Let us see next one. He says lateral square face is inclined 50 degree to HP. Lateral means nothing but vertical. Okay. Lateral means nothing but vertical. So this is vertical. Square face. Is this not a square? A1, A, B, B1. If I draw a cube, this what I have done now. This is A1, B1, C1, D. This is an example. This is A, B, C, D. This is what the lateral square face is talking about. It says that lateral square face is inclined 50 degree to HP. So which is the lateral square face? A1, B1, B. B1, B. This is the lateral square face which is inclined to HP. So inclined is to an angle 50 degree. So keep your XY A1 dash B1 dash on XY line. If this is inclined 50, base will be 90 minus 50, that is 40. So draw a line to an angle 40, and then meanwhile draw a line to an angle 50 degree. Okay. Take this dimension, take a point cut an. This is your point A dash bracket A dash. Take this horizontal dimension, cut an. This is C1 dash of B1 dash. Measure in between, this is O1 dash. Here you can place protractor, mark 90 degree. Same here also. Draw. Okay. So this is your point C dash of B dash. C dash of B dash. This is O dash. Draw position from each and every corner. Name the corners. This is your A1, B1, C1, B1, and this is O1. Same way, this is your A, B. Here I have C, here I have D, and this is O. The outermost boundary line dark. Okay, which are the points you have not yet connected? I'll make it will be easy for you to understand. Which are all the lines you have not yet touched? Here you have not touched a line A1 to B1 line you have not drawn, DC line you have not drawn. Where is A1, B1? It is on XY line. So A1, B1, A1 to dotted. DC, it is far away from XY line, so DC line should be drawn down. I've drawn it down. And then how about D to D1 line is there, A to A1 is there, B to B1 is there, C to C1 is there, O to O1 chain line, long dash, short dash. Okay, and the edge is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Which edge? The resting edge. What is that resting edge? A1 B1. Here also A1 B1 is what on XY line. So this edge is inclined 30 degree to VP. What is that A1 B1 line style that you have drawn? It's obviously dotted line because it is on XY line. So this dotted line should come on 30 degree line. So let us assume this is 30 degree line. Mark your A1 point. I am as teaching you the construction procedure. Mark A1 point. A1 to B1 you take the measurement. Cut an arc. This is your point B1. Okay, to this line, these lines are perpendicular. So place your protractor here, mark 90 degree, draw perpendicular lines like this. Then from A1, measure A, cut an arc. This is your point A. From B1, measure B, cut an arc. This is a point B. From A1, measure D, back, cut an arc. This is D. From B1, measure C, cut an arc, back. This is C. From A1, measure D1. From A1, you measure D1, cut an arc. Similarly, you cut an arc for C1 by measuring it from B. However, the style is here the same. Okay, this is dotted line, this is dark. And O01, measure it and cut. So approximately here I am getting O1 over here and O point over here. Okay, this angle is 30 degree. Edge on which it rests is inclined 30 degree to VP. Now draw projection line from each and every corner. Okay. Now where is A point? A point is over here. A point is in the top. So this is a point A dash. B dash. This is B. Sorry. A dash is over here. So this is your point A dash. This is your point B dash. C point, yeah, it is in the top. So this is C dash. D point, yeah, D point is over here. So this is your point D dash. O dash in the middle. So this is O dash. Same way, A1. A1 point is over here. A1 dash. B1 point is over here. This is B1 dash. C1 point, it is over here. So this is C1 dash. D1 point, it's over here. So this is D1 dash. O point, it's over here. So this is O dash. O1 dash. Okay. Now here draw outermost boundary line dark. A1 to B1, B1 to B, B to C, C to D, D to D1, D1 to back A1. Now which are all the points you have not touched? Here D point and here C1 point. Not D, sorry. This is A point and this is C1 point. Where is A point? A point is over here. So is it very close to XY line? Yes. So it has to be drawn dotted. Which are all the faces you have to draw dotted? A1 to B1, B1 to C1, C1. Sorry, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. So A is here, A to B. This line has to be drawn dotted. A to B dotted. B to C is here, C to D here, D to A. It has to be drawn dotted. So this is dotted. Okay. Then A to A1 also it should be dotted. So it is dotted. Now this point is what? C1. C1 where it is far off from XY line. So C1 point has to be drawn dark. So D1 to C1 dark, C1 to B1 dark, C1 to C dark. O to O1 chain line. That's it. Okay. This will be more clear when we do it in the system. Here I showed you the construction procedure so that it will be helpful for your third internals. Okay. How to do it in the system? I'll show you. Just observe this. I've tried to solve all solids problems for you. I'm doing that. Little bit here and there corrections are there. I'm checking out and I'm finally doing it. So just wait for me. I'll share this document to you. Okay. So go to XY line, 0.15 thickness. Okay. This should be a continuous line. Go to text command. Okay, this is X, this is Y, this is VP, and down HP. So it's a cube of 40 mm sides. So go to square command, type 40, enter angle 0 degree. So this is a cube of 40 mm sides. Let us select this and make it 0.5 thickness with continuous line, 0.5 thickness. Now name the corners. This is AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1. A bracket A1. This is B bracket B1. This is C bracket C1. This is D bracket D1. And in between somewhere you have O bracket O1. So let us get that midpoint. It should not be dark. It should be very, very light. That is 0.05 line thickness. So from here, this line, then from here, it should be a continuous line. So here. So this is your point O over. So let us make this line continuous. Okay. Now draw projection line from each and every corner. It should be 0.05 line thickness. Okay. So from here till XY line, from O1 till XY line, from A1 till XY line. Now, front view. Axis length is also 40 because, as I said, cube dimensions are all same. Okay. So split the lines as I have said you people to do it. Split the lines here like this. So it is easy for you to complete the problem. This is axis line style. So from here to here, this is axis line. Okay. Axis line, third line style. Let it make it light. Now name the corners. This is your point C1 dash of D1 dash, and this is O1 dash. Next one is A1 dash bracket D1 dash. So B1 dash bracket A1 dash. Same way in the top, this is C dash of D dash bracket O dash. Next B dash of A dash, B dash of A dash. Okay. Second stage, lateral square face. This is square face. Square has 4 corners. So here I have A1, B, B1. This is square face. This is that is inclined 50 degree. Select the entire thing. Go to move command. Switch on the copy option. This end point, take it on the line in the second stage, and go to rotate command. Switch off the copy option. Same end point as first click. The other end point as second click. Incline. This has to be a 50 degree. If you are not convenient with this vertical line inclination, go to the base inclination itself. That is also not a problem. So click this as first click, the base of other end as second click. If that vertical line is inclined 50 degree, base will be 90 minus 50, that is 40 degree. Okay. So incline this to 40 degree, and before you proceed further, please check the angle. He wants this to be inclined 50 degree. So you have to show angle for this line itself. You cannot show it for axis line. Okay. So please be careful. You cannot do it however you want. This is lateral square face is inclined 50 degree. So you have to show it for lateral square face. Now draw projection line from projection line style 0.05. Okay. Let me draw horizontal lines first. So from here, one line, then this line. From here, I have 1 point for D1. I have one more point for D1. Similarly, from O1, exactly in the center. Then from B1, A1, B1 one stop here, A1 second stop over here. Similarly, this is CD, C point one stop over here, and D point one more stop over here. This is O point exactly in the center, and this is BA point over here one. Okay, I think this line went across. Okay, now draw horizontal lines. One split over here, second split is over here, third split over here, fourth split over here. Same way, O1 from here, one split, second split, then from here, one split, second split, third split, fourth split. Now go to line command, increase the thickness to 0.5. Outermost boundary line dark. From here to here, it is dark line. Here,
then here, then here, then here. This is one split, there is one more split, and close this. If you want, let us name the corner. This is your point, yeah, this is your point A1, this is your point B1, this is C1, this is D1, this is A, B, C, D, this is O1, and this is O. Right? Now go back to line command. Let us draw dotted line first, 0.5 thickness. Okay, so AA1 line, this is on XY line, so this has to be drawn dotted. So from here to here, it has to be drawn dotted line. How about this line? This line, it is far away from XY line, so this line has to be drawn dark. So click on this line, increase the thickness to 0.5. Okay, O to O1, this has to be a chain line. So you click on this and change the line style to a chain. Okay, third stage, he says edge on which you trust is inclined 30 degree to VP. So go to line command, draw a line to an angle 30 degree minus 30. Extend this. It has to be a continuous line with 0.05 line thickness. 0.05. Enter. Now select the entire thing. Go to move command. Switch on the copy option. This A1 point end, take it on the line. Okay, then right click, go to rotate command, same A1 point as first click, the other end B1 point as second click, put it on this inclined line. So this is how you are going to get it. Okay, measure the angle between this line to XY line. It is 30 degree as we did. Now go back to line command, reduce the continue, it should be a continuous line, 0.05 line thickness. Okay, draw projection line from each and every corner. This is your point D. D1 point is down. So let us move it on all the way so that I get that markings. D1 point is over here. Then C1 point is also same over here. Then B1 point, it is on the line. So B1 point on the line. A1 point is also on the line. And O1 point is here in between. O1. Now same way, here A point, little bit above. So this A point, B point is also a little bit above B point. C point, more above. B point, beyond that again. And O point is in between. Now draw projection line in this also. This is D, this is C, this is O, this is A, and this is B. This is B, A, and this is B. Similarly, C1, D1, this is D1, and this is here you have C1. O1 point is in the middle. One point, no need to draw A1, B1. So if you want, let us name the corners. This is your point A1 dash, A1 dash, this is B1 dash, this is, sorry, C1, yeah. This is C1 dash, C1 dash, and this is D1 dash. Okay, D1 dash. Then similarly, this is your point A dash, sorry, this is B dash. B dash, A dash is where? It's over here. This is A dash, C dash is over here. So this is C dash, this is D dash, and this is O dash. Okay, draw outermost boundary line dark. Let us be fast. Thickness is 0.5. Outermost boundary line dark. A1, A1 to B1, B1 to D, B to C, C to D, D to D1, D1 back to A1. Right? As C1 and A are the 2 points which are not touched. C1 line is very far from XY line, whereas if you see A point, it is very close to XY line. So A related face to be drawn dotted. So change the line style to dotted line, and A related face A to B, it has to be drawn dotted. So A to be dotted line. A to D, it has to be drawn dotted line. Then A to A1, it has to be drawn dotted line. Similarly, as said, C1 is very close to XY line. So B1 to C1 dark line, C1 to D1 dark line, then C1 to C also dark line. O to O1 chain line. So O to O1, it has to be a chain line. Change this line style to chain line, and you can reduce the thickness also, not a problem. So this is your 40 marks problem. Problem number how much? 35. This is problem number 35. Okay, I'll stop the recording because file size became too much. I'll stop the recording. Any